And just days after his visit to the Adampur Air Base, the Prime Minister is all set to visit the Bikaner Air Base. He is expected to reach the Air Force Station at about 9:30 in just some time from now. This visit is seen as a message to Pakistan following Operation Sindoor and the destruction of Jaish headquarters in Bahawalpur. During the visit, the Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone, inaugurate and dedicate to the nation multiple development projects worth over 26,000 crore. The airbase in Rajasthan's Bikaner is about 150 kilometers from Pakistan. The Prime Minister is also scheduled to visit the historic Karni Mata temple. This marks the Prime Minister's first visit to the temple since the launch of Operation Sindoor. Earlier on the 13th of May, the Prime Minister was at Punjab's Adampur Air Base. He met with pilots and support staff behind Operation Sindoor. Remember, Adampur was just one of the several air stations that Pakistan claimed to have struck. Essentially, his visit also exposed Pakistan at different levels.
आपको ये हौसला, ये जुनून, ये जज्बा ऐसे ही बरकरार रखना है. हमें लगातार मुस्तैद रहना है. हमें तैयार रहना है. हमें दुश्मन को याद दिलाते रहना है. ये नया भारत है. ये भारत शांति चाहता है. लेकिन अगर मानवता पर हमला होता है तो ये भारत युद्ध के मोर्चे पर दुश्मन को मिट्टी में मिलाना भी अच्छी तरह जानता है. आज हमारे पास नई और कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी का ऐसा सामर्थ्य है जिसका पाकिस्तान मुकाबला नहीं कर सकता. बीते दशक में एयरफोर्स सहित हमारी सभी सेनाओं के पास दुनिया की श्रेष्ठ टेक्नोलॉजी पहुंची है. लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं, नई टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ चुनौतियां भी उतनी ही बड़ी होती है. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड और सोफिस्टिकेटेड सिस्टम को मेंटेन करना, उन्हें एफिशिएंसी के साथ ऑपरेट करना, ये एक बहुत बड़ी स्किल है. आपने टेक को टैक्टिक्स से जोड़कर दिखा दिया है. आपने सिद्ध कर दिया है कि आप इस गेम में दुनिया में बेहतरीन है. आतंक के विरुद्ध भारत की लक्ष्मण रेखा अब एकदम स्पष्ट है. अब फिर कोई टेरर अटैक हुआ तो भारत जवाब देगा, पक्का जवाब देगा. ये हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के समय देखा है, एयर स्ट्राइक के समय देखा है, और अब तो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर भारत का न्यू नॉर्मल है. और जैसा मैंने कल भी कहा, भारत ने अब 3 सूत्र तय कर दिए हैं. पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ, हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर, अपने समय पर जवाब देंगे. दूसरा, कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। तीसरा, हम आतंक की सरपरस्त सरकार और आतंक के आकाओं को अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे। दुनिया भी भारत के इस नए रूप को, इस नई व्यवस्था को समझते हुए ही आगे बढ़ रही है।
Dev Ankur is getting in more details. Dev, the Prime Minister's visit comes exactly a month after the horrific Pahalgam attack. It's messaging from the Prime Minister as far as visiting this airbase is concerned. Also, the fact that he's, launching development projects worth 26,000 crores, speaking volumes really of the kind of, investment that this government wants to do as far as development work is concerned. Focus on development and on infrastructure building.
Well, clear focus on development, Sneha, a clear, unequivocal message going out from the Indian government that development is the focus of the Modi era, and Modi 3.0 is something which development is going to be at the center of it as far as the government is concerned. But this visit is also important, Sneha, because it is going to send an unequivocal, clear message to Pakistan that any attempt to sponsor terror, to try to infiltrate state-sponsored terror by terrorists by Pakistan into the Indian territory will not be tolerated. The Prime Minister clearly has earlier mentioned that any future act of terror will be responded at India's discretion, at a place and time of India. The country can decide on how to respond to acts of terror. But it can also be interesting to watch whether the Prime Minister responds to the Congress's accusation as to why it was the President Donald Trump who talked about the ceasefire first, and whether the Prime Minister responds to that or not from Bikaner is also something which can be interesting to take note of. He will also be visiting the Karni temple, Mata temple in Bikaner. The Karni goddess is considered as the goddess of power and strength. So an unequivocal message going out from the Prime Minister, a display of strength. Bahawalpur, which will be around 40 to 50 kilometers away from where the Prime Minister will be visiting today, Sneha, is the place where the terror hideouts existed, which were destroyed by the Indian Armed Forces. And this show of strength comes after the visit to the Adampur Air Base by the Prime Minister earlier, and thereafter the today's visit is a symbolic one, is one which will be sending out a clear message to Pakistan. Sneha?
It's a clear message to Pakistan that you stand for terror and we stand for development. That's the message essentially from the Prime Minister today as he makes that visit. We understand about 10 minutes from now he will be at the airbase, sending out that important message to Pakistan. It's an important message. The Prime Minister and the government has chosen the Bikaner Air Base to send out a message to Pakistan. Remember, this base is part of the key Western Defence Zone with Barmer. The Nal Air Base enables rapid response to border threats. The Prime Minister aims to boost the morale of the Jawans at the forward base. And this visit also importantly mirrors the Prime Minister's Adampur Air Base trip during prior tensions.